guys, this is Zainab, and in this video I'll show you how to export data from an SQL server to an Excel file. Let's go. There are several ways to export SQL server data to an Excel file. One of these using feature provided by SQL Server Management Studio. This feature is the SQL Server Export Import Wizard. To start use feature, let's go to Object Explorer and right-click to any database name. Here I choose CoronaDB, and under Tasks use Export Data. This will open the SQL Server Import Export Wizard. To proceeding with exporting, click Next. Now, the Choose Data Source window has now opened. I'll select the source provider from which I want to copy. From drop-down box, I choose Microsoft All EDB provider for SQL Server. And under the server name, I select the instance from which the data need to be copied. This is my instance. Then specify the authentication mode. If we use Windows authentications or SQL Server authentication. Here we will see the name of the database from which to be exported. We can change or select another from this drop-down box. Then I click Next. The Choose Destination window has now opened. Select Microsoft Excel from this drop-down. Under Excel file path, select the Excel file which data will be copied, and then specify or choose the Microsoft Excel version we're using. I choose 2010 because I use this version. Next, to continue, we now see the specify table copy or query window. In this window, we specify the copy type of data, whether from one or more tables or as a result of a query. Now I select or I choose the first because I want to copy data from multiple tables. Next, this will open the Select Source Table on the View window. From this window, we can choose one or more tables or view from which you want to export. I choose the first one, cities. You will see that as soon as you check the table name copied under this column. This name represents the name of the sheet where data from the table will be put. I choose another one, patient table. Now, to complete, press or click Next button. This is the review data type mapping on this window. Represent how the data types of the table maps with the destination or on the destination and how it's handled conversion issue. Click Next. The Save and Run package window, only check the Run immediately. Now on this window, only this check and then click Next. Now the Complete the Wizard window shows the summary of all options that are chosen for exporting operation. And to finalize the process, click Finish button. Now the execution was successfully and the data were successfully generated to an Excel file. 5 rows transfer from cities and 11 rows transfer for patient table. Close and go to see the Excel file. Now you can see all the data in this sheet and for the first table and the second table on the second sheet. and the data transfer successfully to this file. This is all for export data from a SQL server to an Excel file. If you like this video, please interact with it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you.